In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription. 2026 Universal Guide. The single most important rule is to start with the source of your billing. Before you dive into account menus, check where your original payment was processed. Open your email and search for your receipt using terms like OpenAI or ChatGPT subscription. If your receipt references Stripe or OpenAI directly, you'll cancel on the web. If it shows Apple or the App Store, you'll cancel through your iPhone settings. If it lists Google Play, you'll cancel in the Play Store app. And remember, deleting the ChatGPT app does not stop charges. You need to cancel within the same billing system that created the subscription. If you upgraded on a desktop browser, head to chatgpt.com and sign in. On the bottom left of the sidebar, click your profile icon or name and choose Settings. Open the Account or Subscription tab, then click the Manage button to open the secure Stripe portal. In the Stripe window, select Cancel Plan. You may see a short survey or a retention offer. Continue through those prompts and confirm to finalize the change. Wait for the confirmation so you know the cancellation is locked in. If you subscribed via iPhone or iPad, the web dashboard won't show a cancel option because Apple manages the billing. Close the ChatGPT app, open the iOS settings app, tap your Apple ID banner at the top, then tap subscriptions. Find ChatGPT, choose cancel subscription, and confirm with your device, passcode, or biometrics. That confirmation is what actually ends the renewal. If you subscribed on Android using Google Play, open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Select ChatGPT, tap Cancel Subscription, provide a reason if prompted, and confirm. Make sure you reach the final confirmation screen. For team or business workspaces, only the workspace owner can change billing. Sign in on desktop, click your name badge, open workspace settings, go to the billing section, choose Manage Plan, and complete the cancellation there. After you cancel, here's what to expect. If you end mid-cycle, Plus features remain active until your next billing date, and your chat history and custom prompts stay intact. When the paid period ends, your account returns to the free tier with lighter model access. Also, submit cancellations at least 24 hours before your renewal to avoid the next charge, since processed fees are typically non-refundable. That's it. The key is matching your cancel button to the original receipt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.